change the engine oil and filter on your Slingshot, follow these steps. The engine must be at normal operating temperature when checking or changing the oil. Do not check or change the oil when the engine is cold. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Vehicles with AutoDrive, leave in neutral. Vehicles with manual transmission, leave in gear. Then set the parking brake. Then elevate the vehicle using appropriate jack stands. Reference your owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Next, start the engine and allow it to idle for 2 to 3 minutes. Then stop the engine. Continue by cleaning the area around the drain plug at the bottom of the crankcase. Now place a drain pan under the drain plug and remove the plug. Tip: placing a rag at the bottom of the pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Allow the oil to drain completely. After this, clean the sealing surfaces of the drain plug and oil pan. The sealing surfaces should be clean and free of burrs, nicks, or scratches. Then, place a new crush washer on the drain plug and reinstall the drain plug. Torque to specification. Do not over-tighten. Next, using an appropriate oil filter wrench, rotate the oil filter counterclockwise to remove. Continue by using a clean, dry cloth to clean the filter sealing surface on the housing. Now, lubricate the gasket area on the new oil filter with a thin film of clean engine oil. Then, install the new filter and turn clockwise by hand until the filter gasket contacts the sealing surface. Then, turn an additional 3/4 turn. Next, remove the oil fill cap and add the recommended oil. Do not overfill. Continue by reinstalling the oil fill cap. Now, shift the vehicle to neutral. After this, start the engine and allow it to idle for 1 to 2 minutes. Then, stop the engine. Then, check for leaks around the drain plug and oil filter area. Next, allow the oil to drain to the bottom of the oil sump for 3 minutes. Remove the dipstick and view the oil level. Maintain the oil level between the add and full marks on the dipstick. Add oil if necessary. Do not overfill. Now, lower the vehicle completely. Finally, dispose of the used oil properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Slingshot dealer or visit slingshot.polaris.com.